Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can change the DJ voice in Spotify. Before we start the video, you need to install the Spotify with the premium version because this option is not available in the free version. So if you have a premium Spotify account, you can change the DJ's voice. So let's dive in. So first open your Spotify and then you'll see options on the top. Go ahead and tap on music. You will automatically see a DJ option. Because my account is not premium, there is no option on my page. But you can go to the settings icon in the DJ preference and select options like energetic, chill, or even specific accents. And now your DJ matches your vibe, whether it's a party mode or chill out mode. And that's it. Easy ways to make Spotify truly yours. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below with your favorite Spotify feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.